Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is December 18, 2020. The location to where we trade different. If you have not known, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys can already tell that our particular diction, our language, our analysis of the cryptocurrency space is something totally different from what is going around on YouTube. We do not focus in on anything else. We don't focus in on none of the news articles that come out, none of the so-called pundits that try to push these cryptocurrencies on individuals. We simply pay attention to the price. And once you realize that price is the only thing that matters, you're also able to eliminate all of that confusion and focus in on what really matters, which is price. So if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. We're here to give you all information that is beneficial to you, and hopefully you are learning from our predicting the market and anticipation of where the trap is going to try to take the market. Now, if you don't understand who the trap is, let me tell you who he is. He is the individual that we've created on the bottom left side of our screen. That's the criminal. He is the crook. He's out in the market trying to take your money from you. It doesn't get any easier than that. That is simply his whole purpose of creating the market, is so that he can continually make profit out of everyone else. So you need to understand his maneuvers, his tricks, in order to stay away from those and also profit into the market. You guys can see right here in our last video in Cardano, which was on the 15th, we told you all that the trap was going to try to increase the value of Cardano. And what do you know? Within 3 days, really 2 days, he came and topped out at an ultimate TP price of about 13.96%. We saw that here on the 15th. So we beat him to the punch. This is the only way that you're able to capitalize on his market moves, is that you have to get ahead of the game. And we did that. We've shown you right here that you're also able to get the same type of performance. So right here yesterday, on the 17th, 13.96% profitability. We took the bag back from the trap. So now let's get rid of it. And let's zoom out real quick and take a relook or see if anything changed into the market since that particular time of about 3 days. So overall, this market in Cardano is still finding 18 cents as restriction. Okay, so we're going to increase the restriction area in Cardano, because from the last 3 days we saw the trap increase the market over our previous restriction area, which was around 16 cents. Okay, we got it. Now I'm going to extend the overall trend into the market in Cardano, because this market in Cardano is still following an uptrend. We are just trading well away from it. Look how far away the market in Cardano is trading. %. This market in Cardano is trading away from the overall trend. So if we were to get a crash to come into the market for Cardano, 40%, if that was to occur, the market will still be falling in uptrend. I just want you all to remember that. So when you're looking at the price levels of 16, 17 cents here versus 9, 10 cents down here, which one do you think would be the best opportunity to come in by the market? Exactly, right here on this ascending line, right here around 10 cents. Because this is the prime location to where the market is trending higher versus where we are at right now. So even if we were to see the market drop 40%, this is the prime area of opportunity right here around 10 cents. Okay, so let's take a look at this market on a 3-day time frame for Cardano. So all in all, let me say this too, all in all, this is what we're seeing into the market, that this is the area. This is a very vast area of market movement that we can see Cardano go. Now, our main focus really needs to be placated on where the restriction area line is and where the support area line is. Anything in between is really vague. You cannot really put a determination on where the market is going to go. So we need to play on areas of restriction and support. Right now, we're seeing the trap play this restriction area. Okay, he's trying to continually increase the market value of Cardano and break price above 18 cents. But right now, he's not being successful at it. He is not winning that war. He is not winning that battle. Well, at least not on a 3-day time frame. So let's look at this market on the 5-day. And you can see right here on the 5-day that there's still sellers coming to the market around 17 to 18 cents. Okay. On the daily time frame, this increase in volume that came into the market yesterday in Cardano on this Binance exchange tells us that there's still a huge bag up there around 17.5 to 18 cents that's willing to sell the market. And right now, the trap is trying to consume it. He's trying to absorb all of that selling just to continue to increase the price. But when you look at this market on the hourly time frame, you can see that it's not that strong. This market is not that strong in Cardano due to the fact that we've seen him get rejected at 17 cents and 17.5. Yes, this market in Cardano is still trending higher on an hourly time frame. We haven't broken the trend of this movement higher price, and generally overall, you can even see here that we haven't done anything into the market in Cardano. Nothing. The market has just been trading between 17.5 cents all the way back down to 13. That's it. So what do you expect the market to do in Cardano? What would your analysis be? Would you still expect the market in Cardano to go higher in price? Because this was the prime opportunity for us to really see the strength come into the market. Since then, we've been having issues of seeing the market go higher. So until we see this market in Cardano break 17.5 cents, we're going to continue with the same type of trading to where we've been bouncing up and down between 17.5 down to 13. This is what we're going to look at into the market in Cardano. So since we're trading so close to the 17.5 cents, 18 cents, we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market on this one. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this real quick, and then I'll let you all go. So 18 cents is restriction. See that market break 18 cents. Obviously, we understand that the market is still strong. Generally, the market is still trying to inch higher, but I'm trying to get ahead of the game. I'm trying to see the trap and its anticipation of what he's going to do as he continues to try to force his way to break 18 cents. So literally what we're forecasting is that he's not going to be successful at it, and that he's going to continue to break the value of Cardano. He's going to bring it lower. So this is our expectations. I'm not really seeing that much weakness right now, but as we go throughout the weekend and the upcoming week, yeah, we could definitely see the market in Cardano go a little bit lower. So we're just going to TP the market in Cardano around 16 cents initially, and then back down towards 15.5. Okay. So let's play this out. We are seeing our anticipation of what we expect the trap to do. Now it's your turn. What do you see in the market? Let us know what your expectations. Tell us where do you think price is going to go. Do you still think that the market is going to be able to break 17.5 cents to 18 cents to the upside? And if so, tell me how high will the market go? Will it be 20 cents? Or are we going to come back down closer to an area to where the actual trend is being seen on the price chart? Don't make it confusing. Tell me your direction and where will price be in the next 3 days. Questions, comments, let us know. Go trade different.